Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got these two concentric semicircles with a common center O, as you can see in this given diagram, such that this is our smaller semicircle, whereas this is our larger semicircle. And as a result, we are ended up with this green shaded region, as you can see. And moreover, this chord AB is tangent to this smaller semicircle at this point P, and the chord AB is 8 units long. And now our task is to calculate the area of this green shaded region. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first step. Let's focus on this larger semicircle. I'm going to label its radius as uppercase R. And the radius of this smaller semicircle, I'm going to label that one as lowercase r. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this green shaded region area is going to be equal to the area of this big semicircle minus the area of the small semicircle. And now our task is to calculate the area of this big semicircle and the area of this smaller semicircle as well. And now let's recall the area of a circle formula. Area is always equal to pi r square, where r is the radius. And now let's focus on this big semicircle whose radius is uppercase r. So therefore its area is going to be simply pi times uppercase r square divided by 2. And now let's focus on this smaller semicircle area whose radius is lowercase r. So therefore its area is going to be simply pi times lowercase r square divided by 2. So therefore our green shaded area is going to be this big semicircle area, which is pi times uppercase r square divided by 2, and then minus the smaller semicircle area is going to be pi times lowercase r square divided by 2. And now we can see pi divided by 2 and pi divided by 2, they are in common. So therefore we could write this one as pi divided by 2 times uppercase r square minus lowercase r square. So thus the equation for this green shaded region area turns out to be pi divided by 2 times uppercase r square minus lowercase r square. So therefore now our task is to find the value of uppercase r square minus lowercase r square. And here's our next step. I am going to connect this center O with this point of tangency P, as you can see in this next step. And now we can see this OP is the radius of this smaller semicircle. I'm going to label this one lowercase r. And now let's recall the circle theorem. According to this theorem, the angle between the radius and the tangent line will always be exactly 90 degrees. So no wonder we could see this angle has got to be our 90 degree angle, since this is our radius and this is our tangent line. And now let's recall the perpendicular bisector theorem. According to this theorem, if a radius of a circle is perpendicular to the chord, then the radius bisects the chord. So therefore we conclude that this radius is going to bisect this chord AB into two equal parts. This AP segment is going to be equal to this BP segment. And since these two segments are equal. So therefore this AP segment is going to be half of it is going to be 4, and the other segment BP is going to be 4 units as well. And in the next step, I'm going to connect this center O with this point B, as you can see in this next step. And now let's make an observation. We can see this OB is going to be the radius of this larger semicircle, and we know the radius of the larger semicircle is uppercase R. So I'm going to write this one as uppercase R radius. And now let's focus on this right triangle BPO. And we are going to apply the Pythagorean theorem on this triangle. And here's our Pythagorean theorem: a square plus b square equal to c square. And in our case, our hypotenuse is uppercase R, whereas our two other legs are lowercase r and 4. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this Pythagorean formula. So we got lowercase r square plus 4 square is going to be equal to uppercase R square. Let's simplify. That is going to give us R square plus 4 square is 16 is going to be equal to uppercase R square. Now I'm going to move this lowercase r square to the other side. So therefore we could write uppercase R square minus lowercase r square is going to be equal to 16. So thus we could see our uppercase R square minus lowercase r value is 16. And now once again let's focus on this green shaded region area equals to pi divided by 2 times uppercase R square minus lowercase r square. And we already figured out uppercase R square minus lowercase r square value as 16. So I'm going to substitute that value 16 over here. So therefore we could write this one as pi divided by 2 times 16. And if we simplify, that is going to give us 8 times pi. So thus our green shaded region area turns out to be 8 times pi square units. So thus our green shaded region area turns out to be 8 times pi square units. And that is going to be approximately equal to 25.13 square units as well. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.